The LA housing market is so insane that they'll try to rent out a studio with just a microwave and a mini fridge for $2,500 a month. I'm not kidding. It's gotten so bad that we had to get a roommate here in the studio just to make ends meet.
Oh, you think you've got it rough? Try lugging a boundless white void up 2 flights of stairs.
Hey Professor, just a reminder, rent's due on the 1st. Anyway, if you're somebody who's living in a kitchenless apartment, I think you'll love the Rosewill 1800 watt electric induction cooktop I'm about to unbox. What's up guys, I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. If you're a foodie with a passion for cooking but you don't have access to a full kitchen, or you just want to use a safer cooktop, listen up while I tell you about this super cool induction stove. This energy efficient and super convenient induction cooktop is very powerful and cooks your food just as well as your traditional stove. In fact, the ability to select pre-programmed cooking modes or customized temperatures might even make it better for those of you who are really into cooking meals with total control and precision. So let's get into it. It's time to unbox this. On Unbox This, I found excuses to cook on a number of different occasions. We've had blenders, we've had air fryers, and I've put them all to the test. I am definitely a foodie here at Newegg Studios. I'm not cooking on the induction cooktop, although I wish I was, but I am excited to unbox this. So let's do this. Wow, okay. Ugh, that styrofoam was not a good sound. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is this pan. This is very lightweight, but it'll work with your cooktop, which is great. All right, now let's take a look at this cooktop. There are a lot of safety benefits to using something like this instead of your traditional stove. So I do like that, and I'll be getting into that in just a second. All right, so we have your safety instructions right here, and then this is the cooktop. Looks pretty nice, very sleek, and there are a bunch of different buttons down here that you can use to select a timer, to lock it, to select the temperature, turn it on and off, the different pre-programmed cook mode. So there's a lot of customization available with something like this. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get this all set up nicely for you, and then we'll get into the details about the induction cooktop. We'll be right back. This 1800 watt countertop induction burner comes complete with these stainless steel pots so you can get started whipping up your favorite soups, sauces, and stir fries right away. It has 8 cooking modes including keep warm, simmer, milk, steam, boil, fry, deep fry, and boost. I love this because it allows you to be mindless while you're preparing a meal. If you need a soup to simmer for 20 minutes, you just turn on that pre-programmed setting and go about your day. You won't have to obsessively check your pot to make sure things aren't getting too hot or aren't hot enough.
So I says to Bill Nye, I says, no, Uranus! He didn't like it.
Professor Science, please, we're filming.
Yeah, and I'm talking to my friend Neil.
That's great, but
DeGrasse Tyson.
I mean, can't you name drop scientists somewhere else, please?
Sorry about that, and little DGT. Now, what were you sciencing?
It also has a 3-hour timer to power off. I can't tell you how many times I've walked out of my house and panicked because I couldn't remember if I turned the stove off. With the induction cooker, I can ease my mind knowing that it has a timer to power down. Additionally, it's equipped with overheat protection and high and low voltage protection. And on top of that, the ceramic glass panel outside the heating zone never gets hot, so you don't need to worry about accidentally burning yourself. Basically, it's a lot safer than your traditional stovetop burner. It's compatible with induction-ready cookware with diameters of 4.7 to 10.2 inches. When you want to start cooking, you just plug the power cord in and get started. The digital sensor touch control panel makes it easy to select your settings. So if you're living in a tiny home, whether it be a studio apartment or something similar, the Rosewill 1800 watt electric induction cooktop gives you the freedom to boil, fry, deep fry, and saute your favorite home-cooked meals in a safe, simple way. If you want to add this to your kitchen setup, shop for it at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this.
Hey, Devin. Full disclosure, I, like 700,000 other Americans, experience a condition known as sleep sciencing. So, before you go to bed, you may want to lock up anything that's scientifically fascinating or flammable.
Pray for me, you guys. Bye!